Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech App Bro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you sign out Apple ID on 2024. So guys, it is very simple. At first, just go to settings, and after going to settings, in the top here you can see your Apple ID. Just click on it, and after clicking on your Apple ID, just scroll down, and here you can see the last one is sign out. You need to just click on this sign out. And after clicking on sign out, here you can see you need to just give your Apple ID password, and after giving your Apple ID password you can just sign out Apple ID. But if you don't remember your password, there are few ways that you can just recover your password. Just like you can click on this forgot password, and after that you can just send a verification code that is going to be on your Gmail, and in your Gmail you need to just put that code and you need to just change your password, and after that you need to put your password here. And by doing that you can just change or sign out your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech App Bro. Thank you so much for watching this video.